Oh, hello. Happy Tuesday? Today is Tuesday. Oh my goodness. Today has not been a good day, honestly. I'm not having the greatest of days. I was on the phone with multiple people this morning trying to resolve something that wasn't my fault, and it's just been so, and like it just has not been good. I've been on the phone with Belle trying to like figure out this whole internet situation that's still bothering me, and that's not doing well. I went to work and it was just freezing, like we had no heating in the office, and I was just doing computer work and I was like, I don't need to be here. I can be doing this from home. So it's 2 o'clock now and I was just like, had the crap day, I'm going home, I'm doing this then. So I figured, since I don't have my other job tonight and I don't have any clients really needing any of my attention right now, I figured I could just have a glass of wine and continue doing work later tonight. That's ethical, right? HR background, not really coming in handy right now. But anyway, I figured since it's quiet and I'm in such a crap mood and today has been so bad and I'm absolutely freezing, I think I'm going to make myself a hot chocolate and I'm going to decorate for Christmas. So last night I was at my mom's house for dinner. We went through the Christmas decorations. I grabbed this is my holiday bin that I had in my bedroom downstairs, so I can open it. Also, these bins from IKEA are amazing. They're only $5 or $6, but they're really good quality and they hold a lot, so yeah. But I had like my Christmas blanket. I still have all of my fall stuff in here, so I need to get that out. But I have a bunch of fairy lights in here. I have my Christmas pillow cover. I have all of my Christmas candles left over from last year. This is one of my favorites, the winter candy apple. Oh, it's heaven. I actually should have gone to Bath & Body Works today because their candles are on sale for $12.95 and that's really good. But I have my candles coming out soon. I'm just waiting for my supplies to come in so I can hurry up and make them. Yeah, and then this one is called Winter White. I just pulled the top off. Oh, I can smell it. It smells like Christmas in here. But this reminds me so much of my grandma's house at Christmas time. So my grandma, she still has them, but she doesn't put them up in the same spot as she used to. But it were these like mechanical Santa Claus and Mrs. Claus, and they had this little jingle and they held this like one light bulb. And I don't know why I'm not in focus. Come on, camera. And anyway, I don't know why, but this candle reminds me of that like memory or Christmas decoration or like what her house smells like at Christmas, and I love it. Like, I don't want to continue burning this because I don't want to run out of it, but it's the Illume Winter White candle, and oh, I love it so much. So that is what I have here, and then I also have, oh, that's my other little Christmas pillow cover. Oops. And then I have my little teddy bear snowman thing that I just throw on my bed as an extra thing of decoration. So yeah, so I have all that stuff. Then behind me I have 2 boxes of Christmas stuff, and then I have my small Christmas tree that I kept in my room. So this I had when I was a kid, like I think I was 2 when I got this. Apparently I won it at Rotary. So I have this small Christmas tree and then this cane from Miracle on 34th Street. That my mom got it at a garage sale, so. And then finally, our big Christmas tree. So yeah, because in this apartment, we can't have a real Christmas tree. So unfortunately, I can't have a real Christmas tree, and I didn't have a fake tree. So my mom was like, I'll get a real Christmas tree and you can have this one. So thanks, Mom. It's perfect. So now I think I'm gonna put the kettle on. I think I'll just do a time lapse of me putting all this stuff up because I've already rambled for so long. But okay, I'm already feeling better. I'm gonna put on some Christmas tunes. I'm gonna decorate. We're gonna feel good. We're gonna turn this day around, and then we'll get back into doing work. But I'll be happier and therefore more productive. So yeah.
Home in time, together to witness.
like burn. This is fun. I'm enjoying myself. Look at it.
Feeling so squirrely. Waking up, everyone early. You forget all your cares as you run down the stairs. Santa Claus, paper everywhere, and stockings in a line. All because we're in love with Christmas time. It's a party for days, no matter your age. Santa Claus, paper everywhere, and friends are stopping by. All because we're in love with Christmas time. All because we're in love with Christmas time.
Okay, so we pause this. This is a Right Before Christmas, W-R-I-T-E. This is pretty good. It's not too bad. It's the guy from the Hilary Duff movie, a Cinderella Man, a Cinderella Story. I don't really know. Anyway, this is the tree. It's still a little kind of holy. There's a lot of air between it that I need to kind of fill in some more ornaments and fill it all in, like the bottom there and all that stuff, but it's not too bad. I hate that fire alarm over there. It's, oh. So yeah, so the tree's done. I've done this in the kitchen. This apartment's such a mess right now because everything's everywhere. I have this Eat, Drink, and Be Merry I got from Marshall's a few years ago, and I thought it would look nice in the kitchen, but maybe I will tidy up this island a little bit and put it there in the corner, and then just kind of keep this the way I did, because now I have these things that don't really fit. So I'll play around with that. Then over here, I've kind of decided that this is how I want this to look. I'm gonna put some books and stuff along there. But I have this little garland I got at the dollar store, 2 stocking holders. This is like, I think my sister and I got these for Christmas a few years ago or something like that. They were in the bin, so I was like, cute. This I got at Marshall's last year. Oh, I'm obsessed with it. It's just this little London snow globe with Santa Claus in it. I should probably have it that way. But I absolutely love this. London is one of my favorite places. If I could, I'd live there, but I don't think it's in my cards, but I'd love to travel there again. It's just beautiful. Then I have my winter candy apple. It smells amazing. I haven't even lit it yet. This lampshade is actually very Christmassy. I got it at IKEA for $10 last week. And then I kept the cane just over there by the door. Not much over here. I put this little like snowman thing there. Thought that would be cool. I need to tidy this up. I moved that plant because I realized it's close to the heater, and all that side I trimmed it this morning before I went to work, and just kind of got over the dead leaves. I was like, oh, it does not thrive in the heat. So I think I'm gonna move it over there, but oh god, this place is so messy right now, it's bothering me. This I'm gonna go put in my bedroom. I have a few candles left over that I need to put around, and then some fairy lights that I might even just string along the window, or I'll like drape around there, tidy up that bit there. And then I just moved that mirror that used to be where the Christmas tree is. Then in my bedroom, put my Christmas tree up on where I have my Alex drawers where I keep all my makeup. Figured it was very cute, so that's what I have there, and it lights up. Let me plug it in for you. Yeah, it'll look nice at nighttime. So I might even just take some fairy lights and put them along the edge for the time being. I need to get curtains. But I also have some fairy lights around here that I've always had just on my bed. I have those, but yeah, it's coming along, so I'll switch these out. and put the red and green ones on, and yeah. Okay, I'm interrupting this little outro bit because I want to show you everything. Also, don't mind this bump. I just smacked my face on the table. Please ignore that. But this is what it looks like at night. I'm so happy with it. So that's the tree. I'm currently watching Love Actually, which is my all-time favorite Christmas movie. I watch it like multiple times, probably once a week, to be honest. But this is this little section here. The candle, it looks super pretty. And I decided instead of just being on my laptop doing work while watching this, I figured I'd do a puzzle. So I have the little poinsettia, which I actually was supposed to give as a gift but forgot, so oops. But yeah, I'm just kind of sorting out, and this is what the puzzle's gonna look like. So I will keep you updated on what that is going to be. So I just made myself a cup of tea. I just realized that I don't have any Christmas mugs. I'm currently out of a Florida mug. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to add that onto my HomeSense list. Anyway, I just wanted to show you that quickly because it's super cozy and it's Christmassy in here, and it's just gonna get more Christmassy, and I love it. So flip back to past Emily and do the intro or outro. There we go. So this is a short vlog, more time lapses and me just kind of talking, but it's now 3:30 and I need to get back to work and actually doing something and not just decorating, because I definitely could have done that later today. But the main thing is I'm in a much better mood. I feel more productive. I want to work now and all that stuff. So I'm gonna tidy things up enough for me to like work in not a giant mess. And then later today I'll continue tidying up and kind of picking around here or there. So I'll continue vlogging in other videos and all that stuff and show you the progress of what I've finalized the Christmas decorations. I do want to go to HomeSense and pick up like some Christmassy oven mitts and Christmas tea towels and all that sort of stuff and little decor pieces, because I feel like it's nice, but it's not the Christmas I'm used to. My mom goes all out with her decorations, so I don't want to go all out. I can't afford that, but I do want to add some more to it. So yeah. Also, I am dying of heat in here. Oh, my face is red too. Let me go in here. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I can see the Christmas tree in the reflection. It's so pretty. Yeah, I'm gonna get back to work. And I hope you all enjoy the rest of your day and are ready for some more Christmas content. I'm so excited. So thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!